Hi folks, welcome to the Richard CHANEY channel. This is day 2 of thunderstorms, hot weather, and muggy. So I'm not doing nothing but trying to stay cool because it is hot outside. Hot. And right now I'm trying to stay cool. Very cool. But it's hard to do when it's hot outside. Today I'm going to talk about the movie Scooby-Doo 1 and 2. It's a double feature. Scooby-Doo. This is a good movie. If you like Scooby-Doo, you will like this movie. This is based off the cartoon Scooby-Doo, but this is part 1 and part 2 of the movie Scooby-Doo. Two good films. Two good ones. Most of all, how are you doing? How's your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Outside of the hot weather, doing pretty good. And the storms. Like I said, if you have not seen this movie, give it a watch. It's a good one. Scooby-Doo 1 and 2. Like I said, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Refer this channel to a friend, relative, don't matter who, as long as you share the news. And always remember to be kind and true. Always have love in your heart. Always respect others, and always treat people with respect. Make a friend if you can. Be there for your family and friends, no matter what. And always remember, if you have any suggestions on any CDs, DVDs, LP records, cassettes, leave down in the comments, and I'll show you those items. Plus, the items I still got yet to show around here. And most of all, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Like I said, I did. Watch some movies, sat and relaxed under the cool, and just hung around here at the house. Now, for those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here, and like I said, I'll take you a tour around the room, but that will be in recent videos, and show you my dog. And always remember to always like, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I post the next video here on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.